What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream, where we're creating an action-adventure RPG game using Unreal Engine 4, C++, and the blueprints and the gameplay ability system. Sorry. So last time we were working with what were we doing last time? We were fixing the character movement component. We moved that to a data asset, so we have this hero character movement data, and we're probably going to have to add to that later. But we're able to fix that rotation rate when we're in free toggle. Like, we're able to rotate a little bit differently, so you're not spinning in a circle. So now, yeah, we can freely rotate, everything's okay, and then we can snap back. So I kind of want to do a little bit of cleanup. This is going to be the Refactor stream, probably one of many. Hopefully this won't be too many in a row, but we're going to go ahead and start. And I think we're going to start with our .h. There's a couple of these things that we don't need. Actually, we need all of these. Like ability 1, ability 2, ability 3. Potentially we'll need those. Jumping, yes. Sprinting, yes. Evading, things like that. So we're definitely going to need all of those. So let's start with maybe, let's look into our game mode first. Is there anything in our game mode? Alright, so just that, putting in our pawn class, that's all good. We don't need to refactor anything there. Our hero character, this is where I think we'll need to refactor a lot of things, because hero character, I don't know exactly what it needs to do, because I don't know what I want to have for AI yet. So like a health component, I don't think, a health component is not what you think it is, or is it? Is it connected with, let's look at components. So let's look at the health component. So we're binding these different things. So I think eventually when we get to the point where there's AI, do we need them to have their own separate health component, or do I want to create a class that kind of handles it? Because we also have cooldown attributes that we probably don't need right now, but we're gonna keep. So I don't think we need a camera component explicitly in hero character, because hero player character will have a camera. But yeah, I don't think it needs anything like that. So I think we can move that to hero player characters. Let me get player character also open. Let me split right. Well, no. Okay, can I just move it like that? Yeah, okay. So I'll need to add this component. Is it the spring arm and a camera thing? So both of these need to be moved to my player character, not be my base hero character class, because other objects are going to be derived from it. So I'm going to make this protected, and then paste that in. Now we should be okay. So yeah, the ability system component should be intact to the hero character, because all derived characters should have it. So all derived characters, player plus AI, should have an ability system component and use it. So base hero attributes. Guess we should say all derived characters should share the same base attributes. Maybe to do refactor which attributes exist. Are any obsolete or can be moved to a higher level attribute set? Player specific attributes, something like that. I do like how if you leave it as a to-do, it kind of hooks you up with that, so that's nice. Oh. Guess I'll leave the list as a to-do. Do we need cooldown attributes set right now? Good to have. Revisit later. All derived characters. Player plus AI. I want to have this universal. Should handle health in the same way. Players won't have linked UI. Like, I think I'll have to decouple like the health component with like the UI part. I think it's probably for the best, but we'll see after we're done cleaning this up. I think we can just copy and paste this. To do. Oh yeah, I got to do. Revisit how UI interacts with health component. Try to delink so that component and UI are independent. And I'll need to probably copy all this too. There's also the question, what do we need mana? Like, I think maybe mana won't matter at some point. Like, just because I'm changing how my idea is. To do. Revisit whether or not mana is even required. Okay. Yeah. So I think yeah, possessed by probably should be like, it should exist in this parent, but it should figure out more of like what does it need to do. Like, I feel like some of this stuff, it's so player specific that I should move it. Like, I need to initialize. So I think I have to create my own version here. Alright, so I already do have one in here, a player character. So possessed by me. Let's see. So we definitely need to be a super. I don't think we need this UE log anymore, because we know for sure. What I would want to do, can I call update blocking state? Because I'll probably have to like move that out, because like, well, enemies should be able to block, so maybe that should be universal. And then I want to do pretty much all of this. Or do I just want to do the character stuff? Let me see. I think I want to do all of this. And then move this. All in there. Follow it with the rest. So do I need to include player state? So we don't need to do anything like this here anymore. We definitely want to add an if here as a safety thing for the ability system component, then do the rest. I guess to do what dot is valid. Okay. Now, like with the controller, like, is there anything like specific here that would be necessary? I guess I could say, because I want to make sure it works with AI. So can I say like new controller, like AI? Let's see. Wait for a controller class. What information can I find here? Is there anything with AI? Okay, nothing useful. Like, am I use? All right, I am using player state. So I wonder if I have to use like the AI controller. Okay, nothing in begin play. Nothing in tick. I don't think. Yeah, hero player character doesn't need setup player input. Do I have setup player input in hero player character? Yeah. So we don't need that. We'll definitely need these in lines. also under public. So doing something like that should be cool. So damage data, guess that should be in hero character. Hero ability data asset should be good. So this health component, yeah. Like, do I have like also well, first I gotta figure out what's wrong with this player state. Let's just do a quick compile and see what happens. Fingers crossed. Excuse me. "32 actions. Fucking dope." Oh, fuck, okay. So no matching overload function found. Did I miss something? Let's see. Yeah. So can I say a hero player state? Yes, equals their get player state. Do I have to do a cast? I don't know. Why did I have to do that now? Well, let's see. Let's see what the all-knowing compiler knows. Okay, still no. A hero player character begin play local function definitions are illegal. Okay, so at least we got rid of the first error. Okay, let's look at this again. So a hero player character begin play. Am I missing? Alright, I think I was just missing. I should probably move the spawning of this fox to unpossessed. Spawn the fox companion once the player possesses the controller. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Fingers crossed. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we're good, it looks like. Can I jump and do everything as normal? No. So we get a crash here. So apply default abilities.
Hello there.
Oh fuck, hey Sandra, that scared me. Okay. So we're getting a crash. Let's see what we can do about it. Because right now we're just doing a refactor of our code and commenting and trying to make sure we freaking understand this stuff. So today's gonna be that kind of day, and we're gonna remove whatever we don't need. And yeah, for right now, apply default abilities is causing a crash. So we're gonna see why. Or at least we're gonna try to see why. So player character. No. No, those plans fell through. They kept changing and like it was getting too difficult to even try to plan it anymore, so I bailed out. Sorry. Okay. Is it gonna crash again? No. Okay, it didn't crash this time. Maybe I just had to do a full recompile or something. Okay, so we're able to jump. We're blocking. Okay. All right, so that works. So we update the blocking state here. We don't have to worry about doing that here. Yeah, things turn out usually turn out the way they should anyway. So I'm glad to hear. Well, I hope you can figure out things and get some sleep. Like, I just want to know real quick how to check if a controller was possessed by AI. UE4 C++. How to see if controller is possessed by AI. Um, so I guess that is enough. So if it's player controlled, we do these things, and then if it's not, I have to figure out how to do it. So we'll add a comment, check if the possessed character is a player locally controlled. Otherwise, it's AI. How far does this go? To do, well, look into what needs to be done for AI possession in terms of ability system opponent. Yeah, don't worry, when I visit, we're gonna be hanging out like crazy. Party all day. Alright, so we got our to-do there. Everything's kind of commented. I know what's kind of happening here. So this is knitting twice. So I wonder if we need to do that based on that comment. Yeah, hopefully I'll visit soon. There is a potential plan because my friend invited me to a wedding. So there's a possible plan to come towards the end of June. So if things are a little easier by then, I'll come visit for like a week. Okay, we're still possessing like we are normally. Okay, so we crashed. So cast error and jumping. Okay, so probably the actor info is fucked up. So I think that's the problem. Okay. Let me just be sure. I'll compile for safety. Yeah, we'll see what happens at the end of June. And then I'll go to visit again in July. So we'll see what's up. So it looks like this thing is needed, but let's see. So let me try jumping again. Yep, it's a problem. Okay. Okay. All right, yeah. So this initializes the actor info. Okay. Let me just double check that again. And hopefully this will be hot girl summer, Sandro. That's what it's all about. I also gotta do some chores tonight after I stream. Bathroom's a wreck. I gotta clean that a little bit. A lot of it. Okay, yeah, we're jumping. Okay, so now I fully understand. Yeah, that sounds like a dynamic, like a buddy cop movie, where it's just like, he's hot, she's a girl, it's hot girl summer. So we need to initialize, because I don't think we're doing this in the player state, are we? Maybe I should. Let's look. Like should it be on begin play or let me see. So we have this function. So can we just call init ability? All right, let me just copy this. Does it have to be like on begin play? Or can it be, it's got to be on begin play because I don't think it's going to have access on anything. So let me just copy that. But so I got what? Ability system component, init, ability actor info, and I can say this, and then I say like get, can I get like get control? Is there like get character? on. Can I say that? So let me try it in two places. I don't think it's going to work when it's in the constructor because of just how constructors work. But we'll try. So we have it there. Let's remove it here. Let's try it out. Oh, wait. Yeah, I got a hot reload. So how was your day, Sandra? Besides finding out, like, I work for Epic Games as an engine programmer. That's so random as fuck. I thought someone stole my identity for a second. Alright. Alright, so yeah, that's definitely not valid because it's saying, yeah, I got it. So it's checking if the actor's info is valid, so definitely can't do it here. So does it have to be on begin play? Oh yeah, I keep forgetting I can't F5. There we go. I even looked up your work history and still can't figure out why it said that. Yeah, like I have zero anything regarding that. So it's really fucking weird. I don't, whatever. Minimize that. Alright, it's debugging kind of weird, so let's just do that again. Let's do it one more time. Anyway, day was okay. I'm waiting for the SVN. Shall update for 2 hours. Can't wait to finish that. Turn on my PC. Yeah, dealing with source control sometimes is a pain in the ass. I know that on too many levels. Okay, can we play? Okay. So I wonder if it's safe to do that there. Like initialize the info here. Let me see. UE4 equals plus player state. What do we have? So variables, functions. Okay, so we have is a bot. That's nice. So on deactivated, on reactivated. Some reps. Like, is there any like better initialization? No. Alright, I'm gonna leave it here. So I feel like it should be in there anyway. I'll just write this in as a note. Initialization of ability actor info. Is that what the thing is called? Yeah. Happens in hero player state. Begin playing. Okay. Oh, it's interesting. It makes comments for you automatically. Set the attribute set base for the convenience of attribute. Yeah, that's all good. All right, so set the base hero attributes, and then we have one for cooldown. So set the base cooldown attributes. But I fixed the post process today, so that was like a feeling of accomplishment. There you go, girl. Hell yeah. It's always good to feel like you accomplished something. And then you'll have those days when you feel like you've accomplished nothing. I had those as well. I don't know, you guys can't really see what I'm typing, huh? So we have what? In begin play, nothing. Oh, yeah, we want to write this as a so initialize initialize, yeah, ability actor info. I guess I should do something safe like this, like get pawn, like check if it's okay and then do it. Oh fuck. There you go. Initialize the ability actor info for our get pawn. But first check if pawn is valid. So my day was okay. We're just doing it. I can't really say exactly what I'm doing, but I'm just doing a lot of checking blueprints, making sure certain mods and things work, checking if everything's clean, making sure it's optimized using these internal techniques that we have for optimization. I'm also onboarding a new technical designer, so I'm showing him how to do things, how we do things internally, and then I'm giving him tasks to test his knowledge and all that stuff. And then internally, we're also looking into how to better streamline how we use data tables and Google Sheets and things like that to make sure everything is as neat as possible. So we're looking into that and a whole bunch of stuff. But it was okay. Nothing terrible happened. Toggle ignore ability cooldown. Toggle yeah. That should stay here. I know that. So we're good there. Now this returns all this stuff. Stop putting breakpoints. Okay. That's good. Well, I guess I need to like I'll just write these. So return 0 base attribute set. Returns hero cooldown attributes set. I get it. I'd love to tell you what I am working on. I am so excited about work stuff and I can't share with anyone. Yeah. I know. We could probably tell each other in person, just not on stream. Maybe. I don't want you to get into any trouble. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. I know what this does. Takes attributes from data table and initialize them. Okay, I guess I need to do simple things. Yeah, it has to be written like that. Return the attribute, or return the current value of air control attribute. Just gotta write these for all of them. To be honest, even when asking, I am trying to keep it NDA friendly. That's fair. Whatever you want to do. Okay. Toggles cheat for disabling, enabling ability cooldowns. I should say ability cooldown. Mana cost. Yeah, again, mana is something I don't know if I'll still need in the end. Okay. So where was the air control? Here. of jump height multiplier. I should have to work. I gotta work on like technical documentation for this fucking project, even though I don't know if it's necessary. Jump height attribute. Movement speed multiplier. And this one's just movement speed. Yeah, we're not gonna get much done today except for just me relearning everything and commenting everything. Okay. This one's pretty straightforward. I guess I could make this one line. Return ability system component. Oh no, this is a boolean, right? So can I say like do ability system component ASP equals then what ability system component null pointer then return ASP. Can I make this even one line? Thanks for the moral support. I appreciate it. As always. So return. Maybe I can just write this. I guess that coaster. As long as I can run and jump and sprint and everything, I have to have the assumption that it's going to be okay. Okay, we're good. We pulled off the one-liner. Awesome. Okay. If ability system component is valid, return it. Oh fuck! God damn it, Billy. I don't know how to make that less intense. Fuck. It scares me every time. Otherwise, return null pointer. How's it going, Bill? How's life? Living La Vida Loca? Yeah, I feel that. Okay, so what are you doing here? Okay, so initialize slash create ability system component. Same thing here. Initialize create. Base attribute sets. But then find data table. So like, which data table is this really? Player attributes initialization. Okay, so it's this one. Yeah, okay. I confused myself with data table versus data asset. I was like, why is it doing? I thought it was the other thing. So I was like, what the fuck is it doing? Find data table for hero attribute. Initialization and assign found object to player attribute set. I mean, do I have to be safe here? Like, so static. Like, do I have to write something like this? Like, so just check if hero attribute initialization is valid. Guess I have to do it dot is valid, huh? Is it dot object dot? Can I say dot object? Oh boy. I guess I have to do what? The player attribute set equals hero dot object. I think that's what it said. Kind of the same idea here. So if dot object, boom. I could just copy all this. Oops, not that one. Oh, fuck. What did I do? Nothing. Okay. For hero, pull down initialization and assign it to should I rename this other one to be like the same thing, like data table at the end of it? So player, where's the player state.h? Yeah, maybe that's better, just so I know it's a fucking data table. Let's just make sure everything compiles. Whoops. The one time I actually needed live coder. Oh yeah, I'm not even connected to source control. Whoops. Okay. All right, so there's some more instances where I forgot. Why is it opening up Visual Studio? Did I press something? All right, so lines 50 and 53. So let me just copy that. Okay, it should be good there. All right, I think I just clicked on it on accident. Okay. Try that again. Oof. Okay. Can I still do everything like normal? How Sandra or Billy, if you're both here still, like, do you guys think there should be like some sort of stamina system so you can't be sprinting all the time, or do you think it shouldn't matter? Because like, I don't know, I like the freedom of being able to sprint infinitely, but I don't know, maybe having a mechanic like that would be... Yeah, I'm pretty much on the same page. Like, I don't like stamina too much either. Also, I gotta make an option to have sprinting. If you hold sprinting, or if you want to toggle it on and off. So let me write that down. Yeah, I'll have to see better maybe when I actually have like actual gameplay, because right now I don't really have that. New task. Look into hold versus toggle for sprinting. Okay. All right, so back to the good old refactoring and cleaning up. So the CPP I think is okay. There's just certain things I don't know if I'll need for AI or not. Maybe I'll have to do another refactor when that point comes in. So these are all under public. Let me make another public section strictly for my attributes. Get base attribute values. Getters. I don't know if I want to do them like this close, just a compact space, but maybe that's okay. So, base hero attribute plus cooldown attribute data tables. And maybe I can just like put a link to them. So we copy a reference, paste it in. Do the same with the other one. Whoops, I gotta put a comment. Boom. So ability system component. Probably be up here. Do. Do that. So obviously this will be ability system component. I have a second public. I don't know why I want to like reorganize like this. This is so fucking pointless. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just scared to keep continuing. It's because I fucked something up. Toggles related to cheats that enable, disable ability cooldown and mana cost. Yeah, I guess it's just something to get used to. Get base hero plus attribute plus cooldown attributes sets These don't need to be plural. Helpers to initialize base hero attribute and cooldown attribute sets from data tables. Boom. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should put like a base player state base hero player state should be used for player controlled characters. Maybe AI? Question mark. I'll have to figure that out later. So boom, boom, boom. Okay. Okay. Attribute set properties for base hero attributes and cooldown attributes. So these are properties that don't matter though. Like they're not exposed. Okay. Helper functions to get return. Well, to get current. I'm looking up things that start on the letter B. Found a list, and number 18 is. It better be boobs. Boobies. Oh, picture of brother. Boner, B for boner. Bam, bam, bam. Coming in hot with the boner, right off the cuff. What's up, Codebreaker? Not much. Right now I'm just trying to, like, I'm rereading my old code, trying to remember how it all works and doing some small refactors and actually commenting my code so I could fully understand it. And I'm debating whether or not I should create like Google documents that like also detail out like how these functions work and that where certain things are. And we just got finished with the player state, and we were also working in between the hero base character class and the hero player character class, just to see what should be done where. So that's the process we're in right now. So I just finished the player state. So now let me just recompile and we can continue with the characters. Because eventually I need to delete some classes as well. Like we don't need Featherfall ability anymore. That's an old one. I think that's really it. That's all we need to really move. So we're still able to move and everything, so we know we didn't break anything. I don't know why my hair looks stupid. Sorry, I'm sidetracked. Okay, we did that. No. So I guess the health component can have the health and mana component I think it still happened under there. Weapon attack radius. I don't know if this is still valid. I'm gonna take this out. Well, what do we use? Have I fixed the backwards movement? No. Still pretty like, it looks okay from this perspective, but yeah, it's like very still vibrate-y. And I'm wondering if it has anything to do with like my sword and my axe and shield, whatever you would want to call it. Is there a way to like... Okay, so weapon attack radius is only really in here. I'm gonna take weapon attack radius out because I think that should all happen in the weapon anyway. And that should be refactored out. So where do I have weapon attack radius? Do I have that in here? Whoa, why is it all... Oh, why is it all yellow like this? My eyes! What have I done? Okay. Yeah, banana. So in the hero character, we also do these, like, get jump height. But we have all these in the player states, no? So air control, and crouch speed. So, like, what's the point of doing it twice? That's the real question. Like, is this necessary? Find usages. All right, so we got a use in here. Like ideally, like, okay, like we have these functions in the player state. Like, should they be in the player state or should they be in the character? Because we're doing in both places. I don't want it. It sounds dumb. So, like, I don't know if it like even matters. Like, what do you think, Codebreaker? What does it depend on? Yeah, like, because right now my game, I don't plan on it being like, when you say persistent data, are you just talking about like saving and shit like that, or are you talking about multiplayer and stuff like that? Yeah, multiplayer. Okay. So yeah, since mine is single player, it shouldn't even matter. I think I know it's not gonna matter, so because I definitely don't want it to be multiplayer. I'm pretty sure about that. Like, I don't want to like say like fuck it and then introduce, or do I? I don't even know. Like, would it be better if it was multiplayer? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna make the judgment call and say player state's gonna handle it. So we can say, yeah, you never know. Maybe I'll change my mind and make it multiplayer. So new max walk speed equals, I guess I have to do what? A hero player state. Yeah, just as a safety thing, if I want to do I think like I agree with both of you. Like, I want to keep it simple and keep it single player. But I also vote for it to be player state just in case. just in case something dumb happens, I decide to do something. And it might be just good practice for maybe the next game that I want to do as multiplayer or something like that. So maybe there will be some benefits. Can I say... Do. Yeah. Yes. Then we can just do a bunch of these things. So, float, new, max, walk, speed, crouch equals PS big crouch speed. So that's 1. Float, new, max, walk, speed equals PS move speed. Now we have this switch. Codebreaker House School. Yeah, like he said he did very well on his final, so I think I don't know if it's like summertime officially or not. Oh shit. Did you already get your grade for the last exam, or did you just take it and you'll find out in a few weeks? Okay, no. Player state. Okay, we're good there. Okay. Do we have another usages? No. Alright, bye. So get good speed. We can get rid of that. So do we have this base value anywhere? Do I need to get like the base values? All right, let me worry about those in a minute. Okay, no usages of this one, so we're just gonna nuke that. Jump height, there's definitely gonna be usages of that. Okay. All right, so we did that already up here, so we can literally do it again. What did I copy? Okay. Yeah, I still gotta fix that hugging one. Let me do that now, because that's gonna be bothering me. But also, let me multitask and just do these things real quick. Oh. Yeah, the Devon paradox. Wait, can I sign in? Okay, good. All right, get out of here. Um, can I skip, please? Finish. Okay. Cloudbot. Wait, what the hell happened? Oh, this is the YouTube one. What the fuck? Log out. Log in. Twitch. Sorry, hold on. There we go. Okay, Cloudbot. So hug. So is there okay, here we go. Let's try this. Okay. Codebreaker, can somebody hug me again? And we'll see. There we go. We got it. Done. We got it. We got it, boys and girls. Thank you. Fixed it. Alright. Now back to actual quoting, because that's just fucking Cloudbot bullshit. So instead of it being owner player, can I say PS jump height multiplier? Okay. I also wonder, like, is it redundant to do these two kind of if statements? Like, could I instead be like, okay, this goes here, and then I do an if like that, and then like remove this part? Like, my mind tells me it's safer to do it this way. Oh my god, I kind of miss Gorana. Gorana's so good. But yeah, I'm trying to, like, I slowed down with the energy drinks for sure. Don't want anything bad happening. So let me see. Find usages. No more. Cool. Find usages. None. Yeah, it's so good, Gorana. Oh, I missed the no sleep stage at Exit Festival. I think that was always sponsored by Gorana because it had that like owl logo. Yeah, sometimes life just gets you down a little bit. Like, it just, everything kind of piles together at once and you're like, oh shit, here we go again. It's like, uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. This microphone's getting in the way. Okay. What do I want to say? Float, air control. I mean, do I really have to like make that variable? Can I just say like air control equals yes, get air control? And just do it else. Oh, clear state. Yeah, sometimes life smacks your ass, and not in a nice, sexy way either. Not like the ooh, nice. It's more like fuck, ow, why? I didn't do anything. That kind of way. If you know what I mean. Find usages, good. Get crouch speed. I think we got that already. Oh, whoops. Now, how the hell do I say goodbye to this? Can I close this? Yeah, get current level. So do I have to get current level? In my player state? I think I'll add it. I don't know if we're gonna mess with level though. Get hero level? Do I even have a current level? Oh, it just returns 1 for now? Okay. Oh, what? Don't delete it just yet, Devin. What the fuck are you doing? What the thing? Need to consider if we need an attribute / is there actual leveling in our game? Okay. So now let's find usages again. I guess I could do it here where it's like a hero player state. Yes, equals cast a hero player state character. Is there player state? Player state. Okay, doesn't give it much info. What's wrong? Then I just can say like if local variable incomplete pointer. I don't think so. What's we were doing stuff in the character movement component. So a hero player state cast a hero player state parentheses whatever get player state. All right, I'll come back to that in a minute. Find usages. So. All right, we're just gonna nuke it. We're gonna deal with our problems when we compile, like real people. Yeah, maybe I forgot to include it. That's a solid point. Oops. Oh my god. Okay. That looks like it did the trick. Thanks, Codebreaker. Okay, so I think that's all the ones. Like, I wasn't even looking at the error. I was just like barely paying attention. But good point nonetheless. All right, so we should be able to nuke all of that. Now I gotta consider also moving this to player state. But we haven't really compiled in a while. Let's see what the damage is. I don't think so. Fingers crossed first try. Let's get some fingers crossed in the chat. We can do it. First try, gang. Aw, shit. First try, gang. But let me just see if I can run around. All right, nothing's crashing. Everything seems to be playing the same. Yeah, that's a big brain mode. Big brain mode activate. Okay. Now, are we using this at all? I don't think so. No. So I would prefer if we move this to player state. Okay. So we just gotta find these functions. Oh yeah, here's weapon attack radius. Let's fucking knock that out. So yeah, we don't need that shit. Here we go. Like, I don't even know if I need to do that. Yeah, that's a solid line, Sandra. Putting the fun back in functions. I remember when I was in high school, I was in AP physics, and we were doing kinematic physics, and we were learning about friction. And like I think it's friction, and like I guess the most basic formula for friction is like friction equals, and it's like mu, like that Greek letter, times n, which I believe is force. So it was like Fr and then Un. So it's like friction is frun. And it was such a weird, weird pun that like helped you remember the formula. Now that my brain's thinking about that, let me look at that. Fr equals Un. Formula? Basic friction formula. Yeah, there's mu. Is there a picture? Here we go. Yeah, n is the normal force. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Codebreaker. Yeah. So it was just like a weird way to remember the formula. But my god, that class was fucking intense for a 17, 18-year-old Devin. So, but I passed with flying colors. It's mu, I think. Like there's mu, and then I think it's mu. I don't know. It's Greek. I don't. All right, we got definitions, so we're gonna do both. Thank you for the follow, Sniper Schnitzel. That's a fucking awesome name. There needs to be more Sniper Schnitzels in the world. Okay, so what is this doing? It's the can I do attribute set base? Get hero character movement speed attribute dot. Okay, so there needs to be more. So do I need to include something in here that's like attributes related? So I have the same. Well, there is the word attribute. So we gotta do like dot get gameplay attribute data. Then attributes dot get base value. That's definitely very hard for you guys to read because like figured to see if I can learn something. I'm pulling my hair out and I'm now bald. What are you trying to figure out, my man? So base hero attributes. Okay, so there's no get base value. I bridged from DAS? What's DAS? DAS 3D? Like the modeling software? I just had to Google it because I wasn't sure what it was. I created a construction script and made a blueprint to attach the clothes. Good use of construction script. Ah, it's a character creator. What made you want to go and use Unreal? Was it the metahuman stuff? Or were you wanting to learn it for a while now? So what is attribute data even wanting? So it needs... It needs the attribute set. But that's what I'm trying to pass in. Like this is the, like pretty much this is like identical. Okay, like I guess I should copy it more like him. So like if attribute set base return then attribute set base dot nothing with base. Is this actually going to go into the implementation? Like, it should just be like get. And then this is like get base value. Like, it's almost identical, but like this is not happy. So this is attribute sit. So this is a U hero character attributes. This is U hero character attributes. So do I just have to literally just do this? Or like dot get base value? So get hero movement attributes is that. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it decently well. Okay. Is it like that? No. So does it just need this? So cannot convert FG. Yeah, so this is the attribute data. I'm not sure what's wrong here. This is a weak object pointer, but this one is just a pointer. Ah. I'm curious why there's no like, so it gets it. Unless like this is just written really weird. Let me just, I suck. Let's just have these two underneath each other. So attribute set base, get here, the speed attribute dot get by that, so this dot get. There it is. There it is. We got him. We got him. That took a little bit longer than I was, than I'm proud to admit. But we got there. Character movement speed multiplier. Attribute. Okay. Now we should be able to remove this one. And this one. And now we're good. Let's see, that's player state. We don't need that anymore. We can have hero player character. So split in, move right. Can I just say move right? All right, there we go. Well, so let's just see if we get big brain time and compile everything correctly this time too. Fingers crossed. F's in the chat if it misses. But also F's in the chat if I get it. Nope, F's in the chat. Failed. Oh, yeah, weapon attack radius. Yeah, okay. Big oops. Big oops. F for fail. Yeah. Alright, so we got a couple. So the first one will fit, well, obviously, yeah. F is for formidable. Alright, let us... Let's first start with the notify error. So it's in line 30. Thanks for the follow, Sid Starwind. Nice. A lot of good names coming in today. That sounds like a fantasy character. Sid of Clan Starwind. Alright, so notifies. Attack notify CPP. Weapon attack radius. I know this was 25. We added to do manually using 25.f. This radius should come from the weapon itself. Okay. Now it says hero player character in the header file. Which line? 13? All right, I think it's a bullshit one. We don't have to worry about. So a hero player state dot cpp 122. Oh yeah. Else return 0. And we should also do a UE log. Log tab, warning, text, attribute set basis, invalid, returning 0. Yeah, I probably could, but I want to include an error, and I don't think I can do that in one line. Like, I want to have an error because it's like, okay, you know, it's returning 0. You should know about this. All right, let's try that again. Oh, my knuckles. I'm also so glad tomorrow's Friday and we're allowed to go out, get to hang out. It's gonna be nice. Have a few beers with the boys and girls. Try not to get too crazy. Yeah, but when I say don't get too crazy, I don't mean don't have an orgy. Because yeah, that's the first thing you should do when it's like, oh, you know, pandemic's over, orgy. As many people as you can find. All right, so we're getting an error. So we fucked something up that I'm not too sure of. Like, I'm still getting used to this debugger. I'm kind of used to the whole Visual Studio one. Is something reset where I don't have weapons? So default weapons is fucked, okay. Let's look at that. We'll see why. Maybe I accidentally deleted it? I don't think I did that. Or did I? So yeah, fingers crossed that I didn't really break anything that I can't fix. So player character. So I have default weapons. Okay. I guess it's just a hot, I think it's the live coding, like hot reload thing that fucked it up. Can I still knock shit out? Yes. Yeah, I also think the walking speed might be a little too fast. Just because I want to, let me just fix that. Actually, I gotta do a lot to fix that. So right now it's like around 400. And that's 900. Alright, we're not gonna fix that now. We'll fix it later. Okay. So now we got these base values. Okay, so this could be made const. It says. I don't know why. So initialize cooldown attribute set. I'm guessing this will still be the same thing. Okay. I don't have a full, like, does it tell me what const means? Like, const, I understand where it's just like, you're not changing anything. Everything's staying constant. So I guess that's why it's like kind of complaining. guess I should do like, I don't know, a null pointer thing. Like similar to this. Except do that and that. What, this statement here? Maybe it is. So like no matter what, like it's gonna be what? It's gonna be null or not no matter what, I suppose. Yeah, alright. Fair enough. Maybe I was just so happy that I remembered how to do that one-line if statement that I started doing it everywhere. That could still be the same thing. Okay. But what if I want to sound smart? If null, fuck it. Return null anyway. Okay, I think player state is good. Now we gotta look at the character and player character again. So what is the player character doing that? No, I gotta look at the other way. Like what's the base character doing that maybe should just be the player character? So these turn rates and lookup rate, I don't know if they need to be referenced for AI or anything. Add controller yaw input. Well, these are controller related, so I probably don't need them in here and just in the player character. So I'm going to take those. Wait, do we have anything like that in here already? Where did I put this under? Public. So do I need to create these? It's nice that it lets you create multiple definitions at once. So this is add controller pitch input. Oh, fuck. This is yaw. Okay. Let me do a full compile, not through hot reload. Let it rip. I also want to figure out lock-on movement, so we can lock on to certain things and, you know, strafe around them. So I'll need to figure that out too. I also need to make like a target, I guess a targetable component that I can add to things. So like, you know, press right click and then like do like a cone and then get like the most centralized target that has the targetable component, and then that's your lock-on target, and then we do a bunch of shit. I don't know. Just throwing out ideas. Alright, and we're able to move as expected, and we press T, we're able to do that. Okay, we're still good. And we're just like, ooh-wee. Well, yeah, a problem. Well, I don't know if that's really a problem, but like you're jumping, like I don't know. Do you want to be able to turn that way, or do you want it to be like this and you kind of just like kind of move towards that direction? I don't know. Thinking out loud again, probably forget about it. So there's also turn rate, look up rate, move forward. I think we can leave those alone. Yeah, sheathing state, I don't know. I think we want to keep that here because other enemies might be able to have weapons and sheath them and unsheath them and be able to block and all that. Crouching. Do I do anything unique in here for crouching? Yeah. Okay. Here, that's just fine, no problem. Tick, nothing. Begin play. Nothing. Possessed by. This is all the stuff that we kind of talked about. That's all we want to do there. And then, yeah, we're initializing our components, so, okay. So I think those all look how I want it to look. Let me go into Google Drive. That's my work version. Let me get my personal. Okay. Hero game development. New folder. Documentation. Technical documentation. Now, I guess there has to be a Google Doc for what? Class hierarchy. Time for the real coding here. Google Docs. Let me see. Normal text. Let's say project hero class hierarchy. By Devin Sherry. Dear Journal. I'm not going to be writing too much right now. So we're going to say things like, so what? So I guess this could be be like C++ classes. We got hero. Hero character, hero game mode. So these are like our top level ones. Latex. What the hell is latex? Latex. A documentation preparation system. It's a free software. I mean, do I want it as like I don't want to use it. I don't know how. I don't want to figure it out. It makes beautiful documents, but I don't even know how to download it. How can I don't trust the software where like I can't like where do I download this software? It says free software. To use this license, place in each of the components of your work both an explicit copyright notice including your name and the year. Like, I don't know, it's super confusing. So it's special syntax, not gonna learn it. Sorry, thanks for the suggestion, but that's too much. Too much for me, man. I'm gonna stick with Google Docs for now. It's simple enough. Then we got. We'll write this in alphabetical order. I should really just do the documentation like on my own time. Because I don't think you guys really want to watch me do this. So I'm just gonna close that out. So we're on the 2-hour mark. I don't really want to go past all that. So let's submit everything to source control. Why is it saying like, do I want to, I don't like how it's like, do you want to terminate this? Yeah, terminate. So let's go in here. So hero player character, check out. I think we just did player state as well. I don't think we fucked with player controller. Nothing with weapons. I know we did abilities and notifies. I don't think we messed with anything else with abilities or tasks or actors. Character movement component for sure. Nothing with these components, I believe. We're good. Damage, yes, that's right. Nothing with data. Good. Game mode, no. Okay, I think that's it. Refactor, clean up, comment code in hero character plus hero player state plus hero player character. We're gonna have to continue that. I don't know if I want to do this all in one go, like keep doing it each episode, or take a break and come back to it. I don't know. It might get boring, but I don't know. Just me overthinking everything like usual. GitHub desktop. Let me open up Unreal Game Sync. More info. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I'll just call it Refactor. Whip. Watch me whip. Okay. We're good. Okay. So thanks for watching, everybody. Codebreaker as usual, Sandra as well. Billy, everyone who stopped by, I appreciate it. Check out me on Patreon where you can subscribe and you can get access to the source code, GitHub. You can get other perks as well. Make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube. See more of these streams. If you aren't already following me here on Twitch, go ahead and follow me here now. You can also follow me on Twitter to get announcements of when I'm going to go live, and you can join our Discord to come hang out, ask questions, get that plus 69 Unreal knowledge. We're going to go ahead, we're going to raid first Crimson, so stick around for him. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I appreciate it. Enjoy your evening, and see you in the next video.